my question is for you to explain more about how the bots work and how we set them up.
All right, so your question is, how do you set up a bot? You can set it up for free. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have you open up ManyChat, share your screen, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna walk you through it.
Okay, and then where am I going?
ManyChat.com. Get started for free. Sign up with Facebook. All right, just gonna click on OK. All right, now you get to choose what you want to connect. So yeah,
Oop, I did the wrong one.
Tutoring. You are going to go to automation. All right, and we're going to go to a welcome message. And now this is when anybody comes on in, you want to say something to them. What do you want to say to somebody who would visit you on their page? You want to guide them. You want to lead them. You want to help them. What are they struggling with? So what area, let's say, hey, my name's Terry. I'm here to help you with all of your math needs. What is the area of math that you struggle with the most? You could even like break it down. Like, what are the areas of math that your students are struggling with the most now?
Math anxiety, test anxiety.
You could keep this just like this, and then they respond, and then you respond back to them. You could have a conversation with them. Or you could set it up where you have like 3 choices. Do you struggle with math anxiety, algebra, or studying for the SAT or ACT?
Oh, you can do like a flowchart thing.
You can. Keep it simple right now and keep it like this. You could work on this and you could change that. The other thing that you want to do is go to keywords. So you see where it says automation? Yep, right there. You're going to keywords and you're going to add a new rule. What is your freebie right now?
16 ways to gain confidence in math.
And what could be a keyword for that? One word that people could type in to get that freebie. You want it to be real simple, just something like they could just put in math. It could be something that simple, like math is the keyword. And if you type in math, I'm going to give you 16 ways to gain confidence in math. So you create that keyword and now go to action. You want to subscribe them to the sequence. Let's go to create a new reply. This is where you can add the freebie. And so you can put in here, thanks for requesting 16 ways to gain math confidence. Here it is. And then you're going to add file. And then you add it. There it is. There's lots of different ways that you can get them to type in that keyword, right? So you could talk about it in a blog. You could talk about it in a video. You could talk about it in one of your live calls. The easiest way is if they're already on a Facebook Live with you, to say, just type in the message math and I will send you a free copy of 16 ways to gain confidence in math. You can create as many keywords as you want to, list it to as many freebies as you wanted. Now, if anybody were to message you on your Facebook business page, then they're going to get that automatic response that asks that question that they can answer, and then you'll be able to reply back to them.